Hello children, how are you today? I hope everyone is good. Very good morning to you. Today in English grammar, we are going to learn about unseen passage. Do you know what is unseen passage? You have also done this in class 1. So, let us see what do we mean by unseen passage. Unseen passage means any passage or paragraph that we have not read earlier. By the name only, you can clearly understand unseen means the thing which we have not seen earlier. So, unseen passage is a paragraph that we have not read earlier. Now, paragraph, it can be a small story, it can be an article or 4-5 lines on any topic which you have not read earlier. After the meaning, the next question which comes to our mind is, what does an unseen passage consist of? Or what do we do in unseen passage? So, the answer is unseen passage consists of a paragraph and the questions related to that paragraph. Whenever we are doing unseen passage, you will be getting a paragraph. You have to read a paragraph carefully and then there will be questions given. You have to find out the answer of these questions from the paragraph only. All the information asked, all the questions asked are to be answered from a particular paragraph only. It can be related to who, what, when, how. So all these answers you are going to get from a paragraph given only. To make you understand in an easier way, I am going to show you a passage. I am going to read it for you and then we are going to solve the questions related to that. Passage 1. Now listen to the passage carefully. You can also read along me. Neha is Meena's best friend. She is getting ready to go to Meena's birthday party in the evening. She bought a pink Barbie doll for Meena. Neha wants to wrap it with blue color. She knows blue is Meena's favorite color. Neha's mother helped her in packing the gift. Neha is very excited. So this is a passage. Now after reading the passage, you can underline the important words, the important names which you find it useful. Like in this paragraph, we are basically talking about, yes, we are talking about two friends. And these two friends are, what are the name of these two friends? Yes, the two friends are Neha and Meena. And whose birthday is there in the evening? Whose birthday party is there in the evening? Yes, it is Meena's birthday party. And Neha is preparing herself for the party in the evening. Now, this was a passage. Now, let us read the questions given and how we are going to give the answers. Question number 1. Who is Meena's best friend? So, the answer would be Neha is Meena's best friend. Question number 2. What is Meena's favorite color? As you know, with which color she was wrapping the gift? She was wrapping the gift with blue color. Why? Because that was Meena's favorite color. So the answer to the question is Meena's favorite color is blue. Question number 3. What gift did Neha bought for Meena? She bought a pink Barbie doll. Last question. Name any two from the passage. Common nouns and proper nouns. Now, my dear children, listen to ma'am carefully. Whenever these kind of questions are asked, common nouns, proper nouns, opposite words, then you have to answer these only from the passage. That means if they are asking for common noun, then you have to find out the common noun from the given passage only. So in this passage, the common nouns are friend, mother, and the proper nouns are Neha, Meena. So I hope that you understand how we are going to do unseen passage. You know why unseen passage is important? Because it helps in improving our reading skills, which will help you in academics. So I'm going to share another passage in a worksheet so that you can practice, read that passage carefully and solve the questions in your notebook. I hope you enjoy the session. I hope everything is clear. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.